Has your child read an entire page but can't tell you what it's about? Or do they get confused or avoid reading altogether because it's too hard? If so, today's video is for you. Hi, I am Florence Callender, educational consultant, and today we're focusing on bringing comprehension to life. We are unlocking your child's new reading superpower. Now, in our last video, we explored why some children struggle with comprehension, but today we are taking action. Get ready for fun activities that go beyond reading and answering questions. I'm going to guide you through one engagement-based learning activity called Story Remix. You'll find others in the Comprehension Breakthrough Toolkit in the description below. So, Story Remix helps children understand stories better, remember details, build confidence, and most importantly, have fun while learning. Instead of just reading and forgetting, they transform stories into something creative and unforgettable. The best part? There are no rules. Just use your imagination. So you will need a storybook, your imagination, of course, and your child's. Creative tools, things like paper, crayons, props, or digital devices. Recording tools, a smartphone, maybe a microphone or camera. And fun extras, costumes, musical instruments. Now, just remember, the extras are optional. And here's how to do Story Remix in just 3 simple steps. First, you're going to start by reading the story together. And then choose a remix. Pick a fun way to retell that story. And I'll show you 5 exciting options. And third, let creativity lead as your child reimagines the story in their own unique way. And now for the 5 fun ways to remix any story. The first way is as a podcast storyteller. Record your child retelling the story with fun character voices and sound effects. And then share it with family or other teachers and classrooms for extra excitement. The second way is as a comic book creator. Have your child draw key story scenes with speech bubbles. Stick figures work just fine. The third way is as a mini movie maker. So your child will act out the story with simple props and costumes while you record it on a smartphone. And then you can edit it with free apps if you want extra flair. The fourth way is as a news reporter. Let your child pretend to be a TV reporter explaining the story like a breaking news update. Encourage them to use a serious reporter voice just for fun. And the 5th remix is as a story song superstar. So have your child turn the story into a or spoken word poetry. This works well for older children. And then they can create a music video and just let their creativity shine. Let me give you some tips to make this activity really fun and enjoyable for your child. The first is to start small. The second is to praise any effort that they put into it. The third is to make it a family or a classroom activity so everyone is involved. And the 4th tip is to let the children choose their style. I know many times you feel the urge to choose for them because you don't think they know what they're doing. But please, let the children choose their style. Now remember, reading isn't about perfection. It's about understanding and enjoying stories. This activity, Story Remix, is just one great way to help children achieve that. So now it's your turn. Try Story Remix with your child or students And let us know in the comments, which remix format did you enjoy most? Now, do you want more fun activities? Then grab your free Comprehension Breakthrough Toolkit in the description. And join us next time for our episode on D about developmental delays. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep learning together. Bye-bye now.